Mi gente hermosa, I just did this meditation and I wanted to share it with you guys because it was really profound. So the way that I was taught to meditate when I would go to the Tibetan Buddhist temple was right hand over left with the thumbs touching gently and relax with your spine erect. You're totally fine to sit on a cushion. You don't have to do lotus position with your ankle above your leg if you're not that flexible. You can just sit crisscross applesauce. That's totally fine. And just sort of settle into your breath and picture yourself rooted to the bottom, the core of the earth, the innermost part of the universe, all the way through the top of your head to the outer ends of the galaxy. Use your imagination and don't be scared or embarrassed about what it is that you're visualizing. And what happened when I meditated was the things that I feel the most ashamed about, issues that I'm struggling with the most, they all came up. I could really feel the feeling, and instead of pushing it away, I just sort of sat in it without judgment, loving myself unconditionally. And all of a sudden I pictured little me. So if you're following along, picture little you. Picture little you having these really big feelings that you're ashamed about, the feelings that you have the most resistance to, the feelings that keep you stuck in the past, stuck replaying situations, stuck in fear of the future, of the unknown. And picture yourself now, your competent current self, pouring love onto the little you. You wouldn't judge little you. You're little. You're a baby. You're a toddler. Whatever age you're picturing yourself is perfect. Continue to feel love and non-judgment towards yourself, and bridge the feeling of feeling all of those negative emotions with the feeling of love and non-judgment towards your little self. And when you're ready, give yourself a hug. It might feel really weird. It might bring up a lot of weird emotions, FYI. So I'll leave a book recommendation in the comments in case this triggers you or brings stuff up. But know that you're enough for your little self. You can self-parent. You can give yourself what you didn't need. Continue to breathe into that unconditional love for yourself. And if there's any residual tension or anxiety, I typically feel it right here in my stomach, in my solar plexus chakra. So what I do is I put my hands on, I actually press on where I'm feeling that. It seriously helps me get rid of any residual anxiety or tension, and I literally visualize pulling it out of my body. Visualization has been proven to be extremely powerful. And with all the sacred medicine that I've done, I truly believe that there is something to this because I've had this done in another realm. Know that the omniscient energy that connects us all in this universe flows through you, flows through your hands, and you can clear blockages and negative energy from your own system. You are powerful, my friend. I love you.